Hi, I hope everyone's doing well tonight. We are about to branch into testing our students through Eduphoria, and for some of us, it's the first time we have done that. Testing through Eduphoria is actually quite simple. The first thing we're going to do is we're wanting to go to our Aldine ISD webpage. We're going to then select Employees and Applications under the Employees tab. From here, and of course we know that this is where many of our tabs and applications that we like to use here in Aldine, we're going to then select Eduphoria. Your login should be your same default login that you use to log into your other Aldine ISD applications. From Eduphoria, once we've entered into that, we're going to go to Aware. And while it loads, we'll talk about some of these tabs. So from here, we have our Forms tab, which is where we find our information regarding our special populations. We can also search students, our assessments, which is where we can create assessments, and of course, analyze. Analyze is where we want to be for proctoring an exam. So it usually defaults to analyze, but in the event it does not, make sure you've selected analyze. We want to select test available. And I have several tests that are available to me, but at the time when we are ready to do our DCA, you may need to select district assessments here to the right, or it may be the only test that's available for you at that time. However that might work, you want to make sure you select the test that you are wanting to administer. So for instance, I'm going to go ahead and choose this Cycle 2-2 College Prep exam. And I want to go over here to the right side and select Online Test Proctoring. Once we have that check mark, that has activated that test for us to be able to send out to our students. Now we need to assign our students. So we're going to go up here to the top, and we're going to select the Online Test Proctoring. And once it loads, we will have all of our courses that are assigned to us. We also can find the link for students to log in. So from here, we'll go ahead and we'll just select my first class. And this is the screen where we are able to either select all, and for our first run of this test, we probably will want to select all. If you are wanting to choose specific students, you could do the same thing, and you would do it from the screen, and you would just go through and select each individual child and that you want to administer that test to. Make sure you click Start All. And now this test is available for our students to log into Eduphoria and take their exam. You can copy this link and send it to them. And if all they need to do is sign in using their ID for both username and password. They are suggesting that if we are at the end of the day and we are wanting to stop the test, especially since we're testing our virtual students, we can stop the exam by, of course, selecting Stop All. So now the test is stopped. Of course, over here to the left is where we would find our data. And of course, we don't have any current data at the moment other than other tests that have been proctored through our district. I hope this helps.